Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Dear children, have you all done the questions?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. What answer?
Ma'am. Yes.
Very easy questions. So we don't want to discuss now. I'll be sending through WhatsApp. Is that enough?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you copied tiling note to the notebook?
Yes.
Yes. Everybody.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Dear children, everybody fold your hands. Today we are going to see some more tiling patterns. Okay. Before that, who can say what is tiling? Anybody? Yes, Tejasri. Yes, you can.
Covering a surface
Ah,
with
ah, ah. Flat.
shape
Ah, flat shapes.
style
Ah,
without
ah,
any gaps,
ah,
overlaps
ah.
is called tiling.
Without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Covering a surface with the flat shapes like tiles without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Nia, repeat.
The tire at contact also
Yes, wait, dear. Now, Nia, repeat. Wait, dear. Wait. Nia, please wait. No. Okay, now you can. Start. Louder, please. Your voice is not clear to me. Covering. Oh, your voice is not clear to me, dear. Once more. Louder, please. Unmute. Covering. No, I can see your lip movement, but your voice is not audible to me. Okay. Do you know the answer, Nia? Yes. Okay. But what to do? Veda, repeat. Veda, repeat.
Covering
Yeah.
a surface
Covering a surface.
a shape
The flat shapes like tiles.
like tiles without gaps or overlap is tiling.
Without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Okay, good. So, dear children, I hope you have learned that. Adish also can repeat. Adish, please unmute and repeat. Adish, repeat. What is tiling? What is tiling? Covering. Covering a surface. Covering a surface with flat shapes like tiles.
Covering a surface with
flat shapes like tiles
Flat shapes like that.
without any gap or overlap.
Flat
Without any gap or overlap.
any gap or
Okay. Dear children, now we are going to see some more patterns. Some more patterns we are going to see. Last day we saw many patterns, different colored, beautifully colored pattern. Today we are going to see some more patterns. After that, dear children, dear children, I hope you all can see this tiling. Yes or no? Dear children, can you all see the pattern?
Yes.
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 Here, Anandita,
Yes.
please unmute.
Yes.
Unmute. Now you muted. Unmute. Anandita, in this,
Yes, ma'am.
which shape you can see in this pattern, this tiling pattern?
Diamond.
Let Anandita say answer. Sorry?
Diamond.
Yes. And this diamond shape is used in the tile. So we can say the basic tile of this tiling is diamond. Okay.
Diamond.
Like that, I'll show you one more pattern. Another pattern. For like this, for every pattern, some basic tile will be there. I hope you can see another pattern now.
Yes, ma'am.
Qualby, please turn on your video and audio. Please unmute. Qualby, I think he has some network issue. Ronit, unmute. Ronit, unmute. Ronit Lijo, please unmute. Ronit. He also has some network issue thing. Ronit, can you hear me? Ronit. Ronit. Benedict. Next, Benedict. Dear, can you see the pattern, Benedict?
Yes. Yeah.
What is the basic tile used in this?
Rectangle.
Yes.
Rectangle.
Yes, rectangle. So we can say rectangle is the basic tile of this tiling or this tiling pattern. Okay. I hope one more is I can show you.
Okay, ma'am.
One more tiling pattern I will show you. That also. I hope you all can see this pattern. Dear Aradhya, in this, what is the basic shape? basic
Square.
tile? Yes, square. So you can
Square.
say square is the basic tile of this or basic shape of this pattern because square shape is used in this pattern or tile. Okay, dear children. Now, dear children, please take out your workbook. Take out your workbook. Fast. Take page number 10. Take page number 10.
Addition chapter 4.
Page number 10. Page number 10 and question number 70. Now also some ODIs not muted. Okay. Now, dear children, question number 70, you can see two tiling patterns, A and B. We have to find the basic tile in the following patterns and mark it on the tile. So we have to see what is the basic tile of the pattern and we have to mark it on the tile. Okay. Aiden, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question A. Can you say what is the basic tile?
Yes.
Basic tile.
Right.
Is it square? If you are marking like this, you can see tile like this. These tiles are repeated, isn't it? So what is the shape? What is the shape of the tile, dear?
Triangle.
Yes, triangle. Dear children, you can draw triangle over here. Next, Sain, please unmute. Yes. Next question. What tile is repeated? Which shape is repeated?
Square.
Yes. So what is the basic tile of that tiling pattern?
Square.
Yes, square. You have to mark it on the tiling also, okay?
Okay.
Mark it on the tiling and you have to draw. Casina, please unmute. Casina.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 18th question. You can see A. You can see a shape like this, the pattern. Can you say how many sides are for that shape? How many sides are there?
No sides.
No sides. See, once more I will draw. It's very small, that's why I will draw outside. So it will be
5.
sorry?
5.
Once more you count. This is the shape there. How many sides are there? How many sides are there, dear?
6.
6. So dear, we can call hexagon because 6 sides are there. If 6 sides are there, we can call hexagon. Okay. You don't want to mark on the tiling. Okay. Here you only want to draw the basic shape. Next, Stenin Joby, please unmute. Stenin. Please unmute. Wait, Stenan. Now try to unmute, Stein. Stein.
Yes, ma'am.
B. What is the shape repeated in that pattern?
Triangle.
Yes, triangle. Dear children, you have
Triangle.
space to draw in the next page. You can draw over here, over there. No need to draw down. Okay. Next page, space is there. Space is there in the next page. There you can draw. Okay.
We want to mark the shape.
You have to draw. No need to mark on the tile. 18th question, you don't want to mark on the tile. You only want to draw the basic shape. I hope you have completed. And take the next page, page number 18. Question number 19. Question number 19. You can see some images like this. In that, Abdel, please unmute. Okay. Question number 19A. What is the shape of the basic tile?
Diamond.
Yes,
Diamond.
very good. Diamond. You can
Diamond.
draw a diamond shape like this. Okay. Next, Shaza. Shaza, please unmute. What is the basic shape of the question B?
Arrow.
Arrow. Yes, good. Very good. Arrow. Dear children, you can draw like this. Arrow. Now, Ardra. Please unmute. Ardra. Ardra, please unmute.
Yes.
Question C. Can you say how many sides are there for that shape? I'll draw on that. It will be easy for you to find. How many sides are there for that shape? Sorry? How many sides are there? C. I am asking question C. Only 4?
Ma'am, can I say? Can I say?
Let her try.
Can I say? Hexagon. Hexagon. Six. Hexagon. Six. Hexagon. Ma'am,
Dear Ardra.
hexagon.
Somebody is saying answer. Dear children, you can see 6 sides in that shape. So you can call that shape hexagon. It's concave hexagon. Okay.
Hexagon.
Like this. You can draw a little more nicely. Like this. Try to draw hexagon. Qualby, please turn on your video. I can't see your face. Qualby. Bhagya also. Please turn on your video. Next question to Qualby. Question D. What is the basic shape used over there in that pattern here? What is the basic shape used in that pattern? Qualby? What is the basic shape used in that pattern?
Rectangle.
Yes, rectangle. Very good. Rectangle. Thank you, Calby. So, dear, hope you all have completed that much. Have you all completed? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Dear children, now question number 20 we can discuss. We don't want to write now. We don't want to write now. Just see the answer. Okay? First, what is tiling? The beginning of the chapter we have revised what is tiling. Adi Shankara, will you repeat that? What is tiling? Will you repeat what is tiling? Sorry, I'll show you the slide. I will show you. Then it will be easy for you to repeat. Then I'll make you read. Okay, that is better. I'll share the slide and I'll make you read. Otherwise, you won't be. Next day, everybody should answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now I will share the slide. Then it will be easy for you to read the thing. Wait for.
2 minutes.
Okay. Dear children, can you
Wood
all see the.
sculpture with flat shapes like
Wait.
tiles.
Dear. You can mute your audios and read. Mute your audios. I'm going to mute you all once again. You can read, mute your audio and read. Covering a surface with flat shapes like tiles without any gaps or overlaps is called tiling. Okay.
Yes.
Now, who will read for me? Nobin? Nobin?
Without any gas.
Please read.
Ma'am.
See, dear children, please don't unmute. Wait. Nobin, please wait. I'll come to you, dear. Please wait. Where is our Nobin? Nobin, now unmute. Unmute. Read. Covering
A surface with flat shape like tile without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Ma'am. Covering overlap. Teacher Ma'am.
Dear children, power failure was there. That's why. Can we continue? Can we continue?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
dear, somebody's mobile is ringing. Wait. Muhammad Hassan, will you say what is tiling?
Covering a surface with flat shapes like tiles without any gaps or overlaps is called tiling.
Very good, very good. And next question, we can repeat that. Please wait. Dear children, next question is that. After that, next question. Where do we see tiling? Where we can see tiling? That also we have discussed. Where we can see tiling? Any idea?
Buildings.
Isan?
Buildings.
Sorry?
Buildings.
Where we can see?
Buildings.
Buildings.
Outside.
On buildings where? On the
Floor.
floor. Yes, on the floor. So in the building, on the floor, we can see the tiling. Wait. Now, not only building floor, where else? Where else we have discussed? On the roof of the building.
House.
On the floors of houses.
Houses.
Hospitals. Schools. Offices. All these floors. Roofs.
Buildings.
Sorry? Sorry?
Kitchen board.
If you are howling like this, I won't understand it.
Kitchen board.
Kitchen counter. There all you can see the tiling. Shopping mall. Buildings means commonly we can say building. Okay. Commonly we can say building. And dear children, next question is, do we see tiling patterns in parking areas?
Yes.
Tiling patterns in parking areas?
Yes.
Yes, we can see tiling patterns in parking. So dear children, we can see tiling of floors and roofs in many buildings like office, schools, hospitals, houses, okay. And buildings means commonly building we can call. And we can see the tiling pattern in parking areas also. Okay? Okay, dear children? Now once more I will show you the slide. Covering a surface with flat shaped style is called tiling. We see tiling of floors, roofs, building, and houses. Parking areas have parking space. So we can see tiling over there also. Okay. Have you understood, dear children?
Yes.
Dear children,
Area have
I will be sending these notes through WhatsApp. Question number 20. You have to complete that. Okay? Have to copy to your workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to study that for the next class. I will be asking.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.